Want to make it effortless for your guests to connect to Wi-Fi? A clean, professional Wi-Fi sign can improve guest experience instantly. Today, we're using HostFiler's Wi-Fi Sign Maker, an easy tool to create and share your network details in a beautiful format. Let's get started. First, we're on the HostFiler homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up. But if you already do, simply log in. Now, click on Tools and select Wi-Fi Sign Maker. Click on Create Wi-Fi Sign. You can sign in using your Google account or manually enter your name, email, and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see multiple tools like Guestbook Generator, Wi-Fi Sign Maker, Cleaning Checklist, and more. Today, we're focusing on the Wi-Fi Sign Maker. Click on it to begin. Now, enter your Wi-Fi sign name. Add your property name. Enter your network name, also known as SSID, and type your Wi-Fi password. Click Continue. On the next page, you'll see a live preview of your Wi-Fi sign. Here, you can customize the design, choose different fonts, colors, and styles, or pick from a variety of ready-made templates to match your property's look. Once you're happy with your design, click Continue to publish. After publishing, your Wi-Fi sign is ready. You can download it as a PDF, print it directly, or let your guests scan the QR code using their smartphone camera for instant connection. No typing needed. And that's it! Your professional Wi-Fi sign is ready to use. Make your guests stay smoother and more convenient with just a simple scan. To explore more tools like guestbooks, cleaning checklists, and house rules, visit HostFiler.com. Everything you need to manage your rental like a pro is just a click away.